So, Antun, I know that at the Silicon Valley Snug last month, you announced our next generation physical design technology. How does that fit into all this discussion about advanced designs at all nodes?
Oh, okay. Obviously, the first thought of people, oh, this is the 10 nanometer solution. Correct. Or so. But if you notice, I hope that everybody got the flavor during the conference and the announcement. This was a multi-year project that we decided at a certain moment to take a look at the very basic infrastructure of a place and route system and see what do we need to do for a decade going forward.
Okay.
And we were very pleased that we engaged some early customers, and that it was a very different project to the way that we had done things at Synopsys. A few key customers knew about it 2 years before shipment and things like that. But where does this apply to this, emerging nodes versus established nodes and that? I believe that for technologies like, for example, 28 nanometers, that today can fall very in the advanced side, but maybe in a year, 2 years, they will fall into the more established side, that there is going to be a long life for certain technologies where very large designs and demanding timing will be there. But also my feeling is that if I look at why I cannot exploit visibility into 10 floor plans as opposed to 3, so that I can get a better design, even though this may be a 180 nanometer with a bipolar section here, some MEMS. So that's why, if you notice in our announcement, we announced the AG version for people who need the double patterning and all the things, and the non-AG version. Because I believe that the productivity gains, the better throughput, when you have an order of magnitude faster floor planning, your ability to explore what else could I do before you try to hit a few options and you say, okay, this one looks good enough. We were pleasantly surprised by a customer that told us, oh, no, we didn't spend less time. We spent the same amount of time, but instead of seeing a handful of possibilities, we saw many more, and we could zoom in much better into a superior floor plan because of that. So my belief is that a tool like what we announced will be great from the perspective of opening those options for the established node areas there. So from my perspective, it plays in both worlds.
Now you oversee both digital as well as analog mixed signal. What does it mean for our customers? What does it? How do you think they're going to benefit?
Okay, I think that part of what we're at the stage of being able to do as certain technologies get to points is to consider better what we can offer. As I've been mentioning, chips do have a component that is analog or have a component that is custom because it's some strange bipolar pieces and all that. And we can look to a number of possibilities. It was a very interesting discovery for us. We always thought that the exchange of data between a place and route tool and a layout editor was a solved problem, and I never got complaints from customers, even though our place and route output went in many cases to tools of our competitors. But okay, I would never get complaints that there were things to improve there. But once we did a better connection between our layout editor and our place and route system, we noticed customers telling us that the time of back and forth to close the final pieces of a chip was more than half. So there are a number of interesting opportunities there that I think we have never explored very carefully, and one of the things for me will be that in addition to try to have, the best possible point tools, what else can we do in terms of offering the customer something that improves his productivity and also opens new possibilities for them. We have tools like an analog placer, a great router, and on the digital side, for example, we have a transistor level timing analyzer that addresses problems that are quite unique. And I think that looking forwards of joining better schematics with DRC-LVS, extraction, custom routing, layout, could give us a better solution for our customers. At the end of the day, everybody likes to benchmark every point tool, but suddenly
end-to-end productivity.
The end-to-end productivity can tilt the balance on our favor.
Right. Yeah. Great. So a lot of exciting stuff to look forward to.
Well, thank you very much, Swami. A pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for giving your perspective on advanced designs at all nodes. For more information, you can go to this website.